Hello guys, Brian back here with another look at Bitcoin here, right? I believe this thing is really going to catch some people off guard here, all right? We got this thing flagging up here, obviously, and we had this massive push up here. This is on the daily. If we zoom in here on the 4 hour, right, you can see that we had a 5-wave push up here. It wasn't much of a 5th wave there, but if we put a trend-based fib on here, okay, we take a wave 1. The measure pullback here, okay, just fell short of capping out up here. The 5th wave wasn't very impressive. Usually you get a pretty good push on a 5th wave, but if you go and look at these waves, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, you had your 5th wave up there. All right, not a massive push, but nonetheless a very good push, a very good run at that 31,500. Like I keep saying every video I do, if we can get that higher high above here, that 31,500, 550 bucks, whatever, I believe this market's really going to be going. All right, I do see an ABC that came in right here. All right, if you take a 1-for-1 measurement in here, all right, you zoom in here tight, all right, you can see, let's zoom in, this is on the 4 hour chart, and you do this a 1-for-1 measurement right back down to this line, so you can see the A, B, C right there, right? So if we mark that off and see where we're at here, okay, we had the A, B, C come in for Bitcoin right there. All right, now we're over to this part of this chart. All right, is this thing starting to build another one? You know, is this our first leg towards the upside here, or is this thing going to come down and consolidate more here sideways? All right, I was tracking this earlier. You zoom in here on the 1 hour, you can see I had a trend line on here, and we have broken down from that. Okay, we zoom in even tighter on the 15-minute. The question is it going to come back up here and back test this now as resistance and then roll over back down to this 29,900 area? Okay, so the important area to watch on this thing, that back test is probably going to be watch that 30,000, you know, even up to here. You know, you want to see this thing break 30,600 bucks. Okay, that would get it back up above that trend line. That would be up in this area up here. Okay, so if this thing shoots up here, you want to see it break 30,600. Okay, then maybe we can take a shot at that high back over here and try to get up past that 31.5. That's the key area here. Now if we look at the RSIs on Bitcoin, one thing I want to show you real quick too is Bitcoin dominance. That thing looks like it might have double tapped up here. Let's extend the screen out here. All right, you can see back here, this one here was just a tad higher. All right, this is on the 15-minute. We go on the 4 hour. You can see we just barely got a higher high out of that thing. I'm tracking that with a trend line too. Made it up to 52.16. So pretty nice push. It's pretty impressive. Okay, now it looks like this thing might want to start breaking down. We got that 4 hour RSI rolling over. We got the 8 hour still coming up. The 12 hours on the floor, but the daily needs to correct. Okay, but it looks like that daily wants to still push up, which is amazing. This thing has really made a run. Look at them. Look at that. That's impressive. Bitcoin dominance, and the altcoins are not getting destroyed like you would think. Up 8.04%, you know, since June 10th. So this thing just keeps rocketing up here. All right, let's get back to Bitcoin here real quick. If I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe, guys, I would appreciate that so very much. If we look at the RSIs with Bitcoin, we got the daily coming down. We got the 12 hour on the floor, which is good to see if we're looking for a push up here. We got the 8 hour just starting up. Okay, we got the 4 wants to roll over. All right, I'm kind of looking for any divergence here as I'm looking through these charts. Let me try and bring this one up a little bit more. Okay, we got the 1 hour. The 1 hour is correcting. Okay, I don't really see anything here sticking out, but looks like worst case scenario, this thing consolidates for the next day or so, or this 8 and this 12. Got that 8-hour RSI heading up, and the 12 hours on the floor. Oh yeah, this thing could start pushing towards that 31.5. So I don't see any weakness here. I don't see any breakdown coming. If there is, geez, maybe 28,950 area. If it would break that support, I just don't see it breaking that support. This thing is just showing strength. We've been going sideways up here since the 23rd. Well, we peaked out on the 23rd right there. Okay, so we've been going sideways here, or not the 23rd. Yeah, Friday the 23rd, last Friday. So just been going sideways in here, consolidating, building up momentum, it looks like to me. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I will talk to you very soon. Everybody, I hope you have a great night. Thank you so much for watching my video.